Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friend, today I will talk about AOC AGON large 32-inch gaming monitor. So friend, AGON by AOC has announced is the next model from the AGON 5 gaming monitor series, the 31.5-inch AGON AG325QZN or EU features a fast VA panel which can run at a dazzling 240Hz refresh rate and comes with an impressive 3000 gem 1 contrast ratio, deep blacks, rich colors and DisplayHDR 400 certification. And friend, it delivers jaw-dropping visuals and its fast responsiveness with up to 1 millisecond D2 response time and 0.5 millisecond MPRT shoe that is built for competitive titles. And trend, while FPS esports players prefer small size display to better focus on all the action happening at once, esports and competitive gaming cover the whole variety of genres where a 32-inch display size can make more sense. And friend, a 31.5-inch display such as the AG325QZN or UU offers more screen real estate whilst keeping the common 16:9 aspect ratio, making the adjustment easy for players. And it features QHD 2560x1440 resolution, which is the sweet spot for rich details and high frame rates. And compared to 4K, modern GPUs can achieve 240 FPS on a QHD resolution much easier in many titles, allowing gamers to take advantage of the high refresh rate from day one. And friend, it employs a fast VA panel offering fast pixel transition time and low pixel precision with different overdrive levels to choose from, so gamers can fine-tune the responsiveness of the monitor to their taste to achieve ghosting-free experience and adaptive sync support and ensure tear-free, stutter-free gaming on both platforms. This monitor features a sleek angular design with very thin bezel and sturdy metal stand. And friend, the ergonomic stand with tilt, height and swivel adjustment and pivot orientation allow comfortable usage. And friend, if I talk about availability and pricing, it is available now at a MRP of 439.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.